Look at these storm clouds coming in. I was gonna fly my drone to get a good picture of that. It's gotten really windy now, so that's probably not a good idea. Let's go take a look over here. Whoa. Into the railing. Yeah, it's pretty dark on that side, isn't it? If you look around this way, it's not so bad. Pretty clear on this side. Looks like these storm clouds are moving from west to east. Well, I can smell the rain, feel a cool breeze. Let's go wide angle on this. See what we can get here. Just took some drone footage. But yeah, that wind has really kicked in, so I had to bring the drone back down. I don't want my drone to fly away. What it looks like in front of the Alegre compound. One-way street. Look at this bus here. These trucks have to navigate around this corner. The last one that came through, the corner of the truck went about an inch over the edge of one of her motorcycles parked down there. Almost knocked it over if it was just an inch shorter. Starting to rain. This is rain. And we're supposed to go out for lunch, but I don't think we are. We had to ride one of these tricycles like that one to get there. I don't think we want to ride through the rain in one of those. Now I'm soaking wet. I can't get water. That's where Annalise went to school, right back there. It's going to be deeper that way. headed. It doesn't have anywhere to go. This is the lowest point.